Alright, imagine this. You write just one simple line. You press enter, and within seconds, your Arduino code is written, compiled, errors fixed, and uploaded automatically, without you typing a single line of code. Sounds crazy? Today, I'm going to show you something honestly insane. I built an AI agent that can write Arduino code for you. Not just that, it can compile the code, detect errors, fix them automatically, and retry until everything works perfectly. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love ESP32, Arduino, and building next level tech projects, you're at the right place. Today we are not just coding, we are automating coding itself. So, what exactly did I build? Well, I built a Python-based AI agent, and this agent can actually do something pretty interesting. First, it reads my entire Arduino project. Then it compiles the code using Arduino CLI. If there are compilation errors, it detects them automatically. Those errors are then sent to an AI model. The AI analyzes the errors, fixes the code, and rewrites the project files. After that, the agent recompiles the project again. If there are still errors, the process repeats over and over again until the code compiles successfully. And once everything is clean, it automatically uploads the program to the board. Our Python AI agent script is here. Now let's open the main Python file. Here at the top, we have some important settings. First, for AI functionality, I'm using OpenAI API. So here we define the API key. Now this part is extremely important. If you are using normal Arduino boards like Uno, Nano, Mega, you use this format. But if you are using ESP32, you must use this one. Now this is another very important setting. This must match the COM port to which your board is connected. You can find this by opening Device Manager. Now here, this tells our AI agent where is the Arduino project located, which folder should it compile, which files should it modify. And here you can see we have set the maximum tries. This means the agent will only attempt to fix and recompile the project a limited number of times. If it fails after those attempts, it stops automatically. Alright. Now for this demo, I'm using ESP32, so let me uncomment this line. Next, I'll replace the COM port. My ESP32 is connected to this port, so I'll update it here. Now let me open the main sketch file. And here, I'll write some incomplete code. Let's even add some syntax error. Alright, now let's run the Python script. So here, I'm going to give it a simple prompt. Blink the onboard LED at GPIO2 and also launch a hotspot named test-Wi-Fi with password 1234567 Hit enter, and now sit back, relax, and let's see the magic happen. As you can see, the moment we hit enter, it immediately starts correcting the code based on the prompt we gave. It's not just editing one line, it's actually analyzing the entire project. And look at this. It's even generating multiple files automatically. Now at this stage, it might take a few seconds because it's verifying everything, compiling, and then uploading the code to the board. So yes, give it a moment. And that's exactly the purpose of this agent, to save time, to remove manual debugging, and to let the AI handle repetitive fixing on its own. Instead of us sitting and chasing syntax errors, the agent does the hard work. Alright, the agent has successfully completed the script and flashed the code. Now let's see if it actually worked. And as you can see, the onboard LED is blinking. Now let's check the hotspot. Open Wi-Fi settings. And here we go. We can see the hotspot name, Test Wi-Fi. Let me check again. Here it is. Yes. So here are the files that were generated by the agent. These are the exact files required to complete the project successfully. So this was just a quick demo, but this proves something very important. The AI didn't just generate code, it generated working firmware. Now, obviously, there are many improvements we can implement to make this system more reliable and more powerful. Let me know in the comments what features should I add next. And that's it for today. This is just the beginning. We are not just building projects anymore. We are building systems that build projects. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next one.